Amos, you met that big man at an event and then you were so delighted because, oh, the man is so blessed, he's rich, he's wealthy, he's connected. And then the first thing you're asking is, oh, sir, help me. Sir, I need money. Sir, give me a job. Sir, give me this. Sir, do this. Calm down. That's the reason why the man never listened to you the next time you sent a message or you called him. What are two things you should always ask when you meet a great personality? Or you look up to someone and you have the privilege to reach and contact that person for the very first time? There are two things you should always ask for. Number one, always ask them questions. Ask them questions about their experiences, about their patterns, and about things that have gotten them to the level that they have. Ask them about their routine. Ask them about their patterns. Ask them about things that they do daily that got them to the position that they are. Don't let the poverty mindset always push you away from the people that should help you. Ask questions instead. Be that person that appears as someone who wants to learn other than someone who wants to become a prey. They have so many people around them who are already asking them for things, trying to suck them out, but now instead choose to be knowledgeable, choose to get more wisdom that can take you to the next level. Number two thing to always ask for, ask them for opportunities to serve and honor them. Ask them for what you can do for them. Ask them for certain things that you feel you can contribute to their business, you can contribute to their life, contribute to their giftings, contribute to their message, contribute to all that they do. Stop asking for things, be willing to give to them. Let me tell you, when you are this kind of person, it's very easy for you to get opportunity and to get into their minds when they are looking out for those who should get certain opportunities or who should be blessed by certain things. Stop letting your background affect the lands that you should be on. Stop letting your ideologies and being need-driven hinder you from the greatness that you should step into. Next time you meet a great person, ask them questions and then ask them for the opportunity to serve them. Is that wisdom? Now go and implement. Cheers.